guys, welcome back to my channel. Now the last video I did was a Sonam Kapoor recreating her makeup look and you guys really seem to like that. And just a few days ago I saw Priyanka Chopra's Instagram. She uploaded a picture of her at the Grammys party and I thought that maybe I should recreate that too. So this is what she was wearing and this is what her makeup looked like. So let's begin. So I'm gonna start with primer. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and this is the Matte Polish foundation in shade number 230. I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm gonna set my contour in with my Lakme Rouge Rose Powder. I'm gonna set the rest of my face in with my Maybelline All-in-One Compact. For eyebrows, I'm using my Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper and I'm gonna outline my brows and powder them and then put mascara. So now we're gonna get on to the eyeshadow and I've put a little bit of the loose powder right under my eye to catch any fallout because we're gonna be using glitter. So to start, I'm gonna use the brown shade right here and I'm gonna apply it to my crease. Next, I'm gonna use this pink shade from my Makeup Revolution Redemption palette in the shade Acid Bright. Next, I'm going to use this magenta shade from the same palette and again I'm going to put it on my whole eyelid. I'm going to take the same magenta shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line using a thin eyeliner brush. And I'm going to smudge it out. Next, I'm going to use this purple shade right on the inner corners of my eye. And because we're not using any eyeliner today, I've taken black shadow on an eyeliner brush and I'm just going to concentrate it on my lash line towards the outer corner. Now for the glitter on the eyes, I'm using my Color Bar Sparkling Dust Eye Pigment. This is in the shade Pink Dazzle. And I'm going to use a brush to apply it on the inner corners of my eye. And for mascara today, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. You want to apply 2 good thick coats on your lower lash as well as on top. I'm just going to brush off the excess powder that I put under my eye. Now I'm going to contour my face today and for that I'm not going to be using bronzer, I'm going to be using blush. The blush I'm using today is by Lotus. I'm also going to use a fluffier brush and put the blush in the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to highlight the tip of my nose. I'm using my Body Shop highlighter. For lipstick, I'm using 2 Maybelline shades. I'm using the Madly Magenta and the Flaming Fuchsia. So this is it. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Did I get close to her look or not? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys next time. Bye!